Hi, me Narayan Vasudevan. Welcome you back to Trips and Tips. Today we are showing you another exciting video. A weekend trip. 2 night, 3 day weekend trip. Whenever we are thinking about a short trip of 2 night, 3 day in Kerala or thinking about a weekend trip in Kerala, Munnar will be our first priority. We already shared some beautiful videos showing the unexplored destinations or unexplored sightseeing points in Munnar and sharing the links of those videos in the description below. But there is another destination which is very beautiful and having a lot of variety sightseeing points along with a lot of activities to do. I hope you got the destination. Yes, it's Thekkady. It's also called as Periyar. Thekkady is famous for Periyar Tiger Reserve, one of the famous wildlife sanctuary in India. Boating in the Periyar Lake is one of the major attraction over here in Periyar. But apart from boating in Periyar Lake, there are lot of different variety sightseeing points and lot of activities to do here in Periyar. That's what we are showing you today. Perivandhanam, Ottakathalamed and Parinthambara are the variety sightseeing point in and around Thekkady, while Chellarkovil waterfalls, Kambam grape farms and Pakmark Trail, a self-guided tour, trekking inside the forest, bamboo rafting in Periyar Lake and night trekking are other major activities to do over here in Thekkady. The climate in Thekkady is moderate with cool mornings and nights. This could make this destination as a family destination. Now I am in Greenwoods Resort and we are staying in Greenwoods Resort during this 2 night, 3 days Thekkady trip. We reached here yesterday evening by 4 o'clock and we started our journey from our house yesterday in the morning, and on the way we covered 4 different viewpoints. I'll show you that later, and reached here in this Greenwoods Resort by 4 p.m. We spent our evening over here in this great ambience, and right now the time is 7:30 in the morning of our second day. Greenwoods Resort is an eco-friendly premium segment resort situated in the little town of Kumuli, Thekkady, and it is in the heart of Kumuli town. Even though it is situated inside a town, you never feel it like so, because it's a 6 acres property with lot of trees and greeneries. You can see this ambience. Once you enter this Greenwoods Resort, you could feel the nature and be one with nature. We started our 2 night, 3 day Thekkady tour by 8 in the morning from our house at Kadamatam, which is around 135 km away from Thekkady. We selected Kottayam Kumuli Road as our route for this Thekkady trip, and Perivandhanam viewpoint was the first viewpoint or sightseeing point of this Thekkady trip. Perivandhanam viewpoint is located around 80 km from my house, and it's 2.5 km after Mundakayam town in KK Road. It's a beautiful viewpoint which gives us an amazing view of Valley from the roadside itself. If the climate is good, we can have the sighting of fog here during morning and evening time. We spent around 15 minutes here and had a piece of pineapple from the local shop. Our next point is Panchalimed. When we proceed towards Kumuli in KK Road from Perivandhanam viewpoint, after 8 km we can reach a small junction called Pullivara. We have to take a right turn from here, and the Panchalimed Eco Tourism project is just 4.5 km away from this small junction. Panchalimed is an upcoming viewpoint and an eco-tourism project and is famous as a hill station cum viewpoint. According to myths, Pandavas along with their spouse Panchali had a stay here at the time of 1 year exile. Hence, the place got its name Panchali Med, which derived from the two words Panchali means Draupadi and Med means hill. This place is surrounded by deep valleys and hills accompanied by meadows, grasslands and cool refreshing climate. Panchali Med is another spot where many pilgrims gather to witness the Makaravilak, a holy flame related to Lord Ayyappa. Here in Panchali Med, we have to take entry tickets at the rate of 10 rupees and 20 rupees respectively for children and adults. As this Panchali Med is one of the best choice of photographers and videographers, they are charging good rate for camera and video shooting. Still, lot of people are choosing Panchali Med as their location for shooting. We spent around 40 minutes here and had a fresh lime juice from the shop which is inside this ecotourism project. Our next stopping was at Valanjanganam Waterfalls. Valanjanganam Waterfalls is also situated on the KK roadside and is at a distance of 6 to 7 km from Panchali Med viewpoint. We saw a healthy waterfalls even in the month of December, and we can't expect this during the summer time. Lot of Ayyappa devotees coming from Tamil Nadu is taking a break here in this Valanjanganam waterfalls for their bath and to have a cup of tea. Helicam view is super here. See this beautiful view of Valanjanganam waterfalls as a painting. We spent around 30 minutes here. Next stopping, Parindumbara viewpoint. Again from Valanjanganam towards Thekkady, after 11 kilometers, we can see a small junction with a road towards right with an arch. We have to drive 5 kilometers from here in this route to reach Parindumbara viewpoint. Parindumbara is around 25 kilometers away from Thekkady. DTPC, District Tourism Promotion Council, plans to develop Parindumbara as a hill station and as a stopover place for tourists who come from and to Thekkady. Parundinpara, also known as Parindumbara, the Eagle Rock. From here also, we can have the darshan of Magarajodi of Shabarimala. The word Parund in local language means eagle and Para means rock. It's called Parindumbara as Eagle Rock. It's because of the large area around this rock and the shape of an eagle. The main attraction of Parindumbara are Suicide Point and Tagore Head, a rock that appears to have a shape of Tagore, an Indian poet's head. When we drive back from Parindumbara towards Thekkady, we can see Pattumala Mada Church on the left hand side before Vandiperiyar. Pattumala Mada Church is a Roman Catholic Latin Rite pilgrim shrine in Kerala dedicated to Our Lady of Good Health. It's served by the Congregation of the Missionary Brothers of Saint Francis of Assisi. Architect J.P. Bright is the designer of this church. This church is built entirely of granite and situated in the midst of tea plantations. The name Pattumala means hill draped in silk. It's located 24 kilometers away from Thekkady. As I said earlier, this Pattumala Mada Church is located inside a beautiful tea plantation. We can see lot of such beautiful tea plantations here in this region.
Apart from Pattumala, we can see such beautiful tea estates on Satram Gavi route near Vallakadav area. Same way, there are some beautiful tea plantations located on the Vagamon route too. It means the tea plantations, beautiful tea plantations are available here in Thekkady too. As there are lot of tea estates here in and around Thekkady, it should have some tea factories too. There are couple of tea factories near to Thekkady which allow visitors inside. After a fully utilized day, with an empty stomach, we reached Kumuli, the town of Thekkady, by 5 in the evening and we selected Greenwoods Resort for our stay in Thekkady. Greenwoods Resort is a premium segment 5-star equivalent resort in Thekkady with a forest ambience and royal vintage interior. Greenwoods Resort gave us a traditional Kerala welcome as their usual practice and opened a gate of wonders in front of us. Really, the stay over here in Greenwoods was such an amazing experience for us. Wait for few more days for this wonders of Thekkady and Greenwoods Resort. Till then, bye bye.